Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you guys have been following along, you know that for the past 2 months we have been in Australia. Prior to going to Australia, we sold all of our belongings. So when we came back to nothing. So we are back in a house and we are gathering stuff to settle back in. So Andy found this brand COZEY online and we thought we would give it a go. The cool thing about it is that it comes in boxes and got delivered to us in just 5 days, so it's super quick. Another cool thing about it is that depending on how big or small of a space you live in, you can add or take away pieces so it can fit into any room. And something that's very convenient is that if you're moving or if you're going on a vacation, you can disassemble it, put it back into a storage box, so it go in your storage unit or into the U-Haul.
All right, let's get ready to open it.
This is our progress so far. We're almost done opening all the boxes. We have a pretty small space, so it looks like it's gonna fit pretty good. And first impressions on the color, it's very white. We got an ivory, and we're kind of just like thinking now, like, holy crap, we have a kid, and the couch is right next to our kitchen, and she's probably gonna get this messy really fast. Purchase is made. Wish us luck. And Alethea's pumped that we're opening up a couch because for the past week we have been sitting on the floor.
Yeah.
Or our bed.
I'm pumped.
Yeah, me too. Okay, time to assemble.
Let's
we will
do
let
it.
you guys know how easy it is. Here are all of the legs that go on the couch, and we have the couch tilted on its back. Now to put the legs on.
Three, two, one.
First impressions.
First impressions. The fabric definitely looks durable, but we are nervous that it's gonna pill. Our last couch did that.
And it kind of feels like the same fabric as our last couch.
Yeah.
So we have
Our
a
IKEA
feeling,
couch.
like it could possibly pill.
Let's hope not. The cushions are very firm. Firmer than what we thought it would be when we first purchased it.
Yeah, it's not like a comfy couch, this one.
No, this is like a showroom couch. Something you want to like put your house on display.
Our thoughts on the color, we ordered the color ivory, and as much as it's beautiful to the eye, I'm really nervous about like just every kind of little dirt showing up on it. Whether you wear like jeans, I'm scared that it's gonna like dye blue, or my kids' dirty fingers, all of that kind of stuff. So I'm kind of worried about the color. Yeah, and it's not the most comfy, like Andy said. But yeah, it fits our space. Our house is pretty small, so I don't know. We'll have to let you guys know what we think about it. But first impressions, very easy to assemble, very quick to order, and feels like good quality. And the price for this particular setup that we got was $1,300, just over $1,300. And if you have like a bigger space, like we said, you can like add more cushions to make it longer. You can do so much with it. You can check out the description to see where we bought the couch, and you can go online and you can custom your couch, you can pick your color, and you can configure it to fit your own space at home.
Hi everyone, I am back with an update about our COZEY couch. We did end up sending it back, but I do want to mention that if you are debating whether or not to get a COZEY, I think you definitely should give it a go and try. They have a super easy trial period, and they did not hassle me at all when I asked for a return. I simply sent them a message, and then they emailed me with all of the paperwork I needed for the return. From there, I contacted the delivery service, which was from Purelator, and I scheduled a pickup. They came right to my doorstep, free of charge, and picked up the couch. I literally had to do no work whatsoever, and it was completely free. From there, it only took like 2 days for me to get a full refund, so I didn't even have to wait at all for a refund. I think the couch was super nice, and if you don't have kids and you're not gonna stay in a white couch, I mean, I think it was very beautiful for sure. And I think the couch was also very practical, how easy it is to set up and take down. But it's just for my lifestyle with having a toddler, we decided to get a secondhand couch that is gray. This is the couch we ended up going with. We got it off of Facebook Marketplace for only $600. It has storage in the ottoman, and it has storage in there. Yeah, so much storage. So yeah, this is the couch we ended up going with. It was only $600, and honestly, the COZEY couch was great. It just depends what kind of budget you guys have, and maybe don't go for a white one if you have kids. I hope you guys found this video super helpful and super useful, and I hope it helped you make a decision whether you should go with COZEY or not. See you guys next time.